Hey guys, Nick here from, oh, hang on, that's better. Hey guys, this is Nick here, coming to you from the unboxing zone here at Gitex Shopper 2018. Now, right now, we're going to be unboxing the Blueair Joy S Air Purifier. Now, I think a lot of us living in places like Dubai worry about the air quality, and air purifiers like the Joy S help to make that a little bit better for us. So this is a really compact air purifier that you can set up in your living room, in your office, in the bedroom, wherever you like, and it purifies air in no time at all. Now, this particular model can do a 60 meter square room size, and it puts out purified air every 12 minutes or so. And we're going to unbox it now. I'm going to show you a few features about what it has, and we'll get into what it can actually do. So let's unbox this guy. I'm going to put this one on the floor in a second. So right over here on the top, we've got just our user manual. Okay, I'm going to put that to the side. Give me a second. Okay, here we go. Oop. And there we go. All right, I'm going to bring this on the table right over here. I'm going to take this guy out. And there you have it. That is the Joy S Air Purifier. Very nice, very neat, very minimalist, as you can see. Now, you notice there's like this little sleeve that's around the air purifier. Now, this is sort of like a pre-filter that you can change depending on what your moods are, if you want different colors. So this one is the charcoal version, I believe, that comes in the box. I'm going to just take it out really simple, slide it off, where you go. And I've got a blue one here that I'm going to slip on. So it's very simple, just kind of open it in the packet. I'm going to take it out, there we go. And just slide it over, and away you go. Simple as that. So I like that one a little bit better. I'm biased against the color blue. So there we go, nice and bright. And all you have to do is plug it in and turn it on. Now, on the top over here, you've got a control panel. Now, if you press it once, basically you're gonna turn the device on, and it's sort of like in level 1 of air purification. If you tap it twice, then 2 LEDs are gonna turn on, and that's sort of level 2. And tap it 3 times, that's when the Joy S will work sort of at maximum capacity, and all 3 LEDs will come out, and the Joy S will be working basically with at full blast. This is a really cool compact one that you can, like I said before, you can put in any living room, in an office, or any kind of space that works. And I think if you are worried about the air quality in your apartment or in your living space, and you want something that looks aesthetically pleasing, isn't too complicated, it just kind of does what it says on the tin, this is one of the air purifiers you can get in the market right now. And honestly, with these changeable covers that are also washable, it just works, really, really well, and you'll be breathing in cleaner, purer, and nicer air, I think, in the future. So that's it for this unboxing. Stay tuned for more unboxing videos here at Gitex Shopper 2018, or come down to the World Trade Center and see us unbox live. See you in the next video, coming soon.